I have Bambi outside my window. Hello, Bambi. Yes, hi. She just noticed me. Oh, you're a little cutie. I'm not worried about you. Yes. Hey YouTube, MinnesotaEric here, and what is it? It's February 29th, 2019, and somewhere in November it started to snow a little bit, or somewhere in December it started to snow, and it hasn't really stopped. So in Minnesota, where I'm at, we now have record-breaking snow, and in the 60 years that my house has been sitting here, we've never had a roof, an ice dam on a roof until now. And so I've been telling people for years to buy these Avalanche rakes, but I finally bought one. So the idea behind an Avalanche rake is that you send this thing on up and the snow just collapses underneath it. And it's pretty cool. It comes with 16 feet, I don't know if you can see this, but 16 feet of extensions, of which I've got 8 feet on here. And I know I need to put on more. Of course, I stuck this thing in the snow yesterday when it showed up, so I probably did myself no favors. Filling will end up with snow. Come on. Fit, fit, fit. And there we go. All right. This is where I need a truck. I should have a work truck. You're probably wondering, hey Eric, how come you don't have any snow plowing videos of your tractor? Well, I do. I got lots of them. I just don't have any hard drive space. Anyway, if you can imagine, an hour later, I'll get this cleared off. The sheet makes it much easier to pull down. Regular old as you can see, I could use about 8 feet more. 2 more extensions. I think I will order those. Avalanche hasn't given me this. I paid for it out of the pocket. Snowmobilers have been loving this year. So there you have it. The Avalanche. The 1000 comes with a traditional snow shovel. I have that as well. I just didn't use it today. And you can get extra sticks, 4-foot long sticks. I'm going to order 2 of them so I can hit the ridge line of this roof. So But I thought I'd show you what an Avalanche does. I think it's the coolest roof rake. When I first used one, I thought it was cool. I've been telling people to buy them for years when it comes up. I have never needed one until this year. 60 years into the best of my knowledge, this is the first time we've ever had ice dam. So, here's what it is. Anyway, YouTube, if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. And if you like my channel, subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye. That's good, boys. Puppy help is always the best kind of help. I love snow. I really do.